Hi, I'm Neel, beadwork designer and instructor out of Chicago, Illinois. I'm looking forward to meeting you at Bead and Button 2018, and I can't wait to show you some of the cool projects I have for you this year. When preparing for a show like this, I try to create projects that you will love to wear in your busy lifestyle, whether it's a high-functioning business event or a comfortable, casual, social event. These are pieces that you're going to enjoy making over and over again for gifts and for yourself. I use high quality materials that are easy to find at your local bead shop, online retailer, and craft store. And I really try to focus on things that are going to allow you to manipulate the pattern in different ways to create a piece that you are going to enjoy wearing and is comfortable and convenient for you or anyone you're making the piece for. I focus on Renaissance, Art Deco, and Victorian style elements, and I like to bring those into my modern day pieces. So I really think that you're going to enjoy a lot of my patterns. Let's take a look at what I have for you for Bead and Button 2018. I'll post the names and dates of the classes in the comment section below. You can connect with me through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now YouTube to see new projects as they become available, as well as see how I am preparing for this huge show. With all of the great projects and designers that Bead and Button brings to you, you have the hardest choice of them all: how to pick the right classes. I know you'll make the right decision. And until I see you later on this summer, enjoy beading. I can do this so well in the shower, but I can't do it in front of the, let's try that again, shall we? Show, I have an itch on my forehead. Through FaceGram. I don't think I need that part.